How to check Instagram call history. If you've ever wanted to check your Instagram call history to see your past voice or video calls, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to easily view your call history on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app. Make sure you're logged into your account and we'll be looking through your direct DMs where all your call history is stored. Now, on the home screen, tap on the messenger icon in the top right corner. This will open your direct messages where you can see all your chat with friends and followers. Next, select the conversation where you made the call. Look for the phone icon or the video camera inside the conversation. These icons indicate whether it was a voice or video call. When you tap on the conversation, scroll up to find the call history, and Instagram will display the exact time and date of the call along with whether it was a video or voice call. Now, if you missed a call, Instagram will show a missed call notification next to the call log in the conversation thread. Or if you use an iPhone, you can simply tap on your call log, and here you can find options like Instagram audio, and that's how you can find your call history of Instagram.